Let's talk about what BigQuery Studio is and the reason we built it. Enterprises know that the shift to AI is now. Based on recent research, organizations that are effective at using data and AI are more profitable than their competitors and see improved performance across a variety of business metrics. However, many organizations are still struggling to extract the full business value of data. And while BigQuery is built on a unified, open, and intelligent data ecosystem, data practitioners still face many challenges. Some of the key issues include 1. Having to constantly context switch, as they still use multiple, disjointed tools. 2. While SQL is extremely powerful, it can be unintuitive, time-consuming, and costly to write and maintain. On average, data engineers and data scientists spend 25 to 50% of their time writing SQL, with data analysts spending even greater time writing SQL code. 3. And finally, leveraging new technologies like generative AI traditionally requires learning new concepts in coding. On top of that, there is always pressure for more security, compliance, and governance. BigQuery Studio is an evolution of the BigQuery Workspace. It is a GUI that makes it easy to discover, explore, analyze, and predict data in BigQuery. To help you accomplish these tasks, BigQuery Studio leverages many other services across the broader data analytics plus AI platform in one experience that gives data practitioners 1. Editing support for SQL and Python, and notebook development, powered by Colab Enterprise. 2. Resource exploration and discovery, powered by Dataplex. 3. Centralized source control and revision history for code asset management, powered by Dataform. 4. Assistive data experiences, powered by Duet AI. BigQuery Studio brings an end-to-end analytics experience in a single purpose-built platform. It provides a unified workspace, including a SQL and a notebook interface, powered by Colab Enterprise, which is currently in preview, allowing data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists to perform end-to-end tasks, including data ingestion, pipeline creation, and predictive analytics, all using the coding language of their choice. BigQuery Studio improves collaboration among data practitioners by extending software development best practices such as CI/CD, version history, and source control to analytics assets including SQL scripts, Python scripts, notebooks, and SQL pipelines. Additionally, users will be able to securely connect with their favorite external code repositories so that their code will never be out of sync. In addition to enabling human collaborations, BigQuery Studio also provides an AI-powered collaborator for contextual chat and code assistance. Duet AI in BigQuery can understand the context of each user and their data and uses it to auto-suggest functions and code blocks for SQL and Python. Through the new chat interface, data practitioners can use natural language to get personalized real-time guidance on performing specific tasks, reducing the need for trial and error or searching through documentation.